How to enable notifications on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can enable notifications for Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on your mobile settings and then go ahead apps and notifications and search for Snapchat. Once you have found it, tap on it and then go ahead to your notifications. Now as you can see, it is blocked, so what you're gonna do is simply tap on it. Once you do that, enable it by tapping on it. Doing so will successfully help you enable notifications on Snapchat, and you will be notified about your Snapchat notifications. So this is how it is, simple and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.